Hello and welcome back to 80 English Tutorials, and this is part 3 for the poem Night Mail, poem 5 from the treasure chest. And this video is for ICSE class 9th and 10th. Part 1 and 2 have already been posted. Part 1 had the rhyme scheme, form, structure, everything, introduction. Then part 2 had the line by line explanation, and now this is part 3, which will have the poetic devices. So let's start. Alliteration. Alliteration. See, I'll not be explaining you the uh, definition of that figures of speech. Why? Because I've already posted a video regarding the figures of speech where I've very clearly made you understand the uh, different figures of speech. Anaphora was not there, so I'll explain you here. So alliteration and these common ones, they were there. I've already told you, so I'm not explaining you again. If you face any problem, you can visit that video and post your comment, post your doubt there. So alliteration, shoveling white steam over her shoulder. Shoveling ka S, steam first letter S, and then shoulder again S. So repetition of S. Then assonance. Assonance, I don't think I have explained you there in the first video. Assonance is the repetition of vowel sounds in a line. See, letters of Scotland from the south of France. Scotland, so O, and south again, so O. So O is a vowel, so the repetition of vowel sound is being uh, seen. Anaphora. Anaphora, it refers to the repetition of the word or expression in the first part of the same verses. Letters with holiday to snaps to enlarge in. So letters, letters, letters. So that is anaphora. Simile, set on the dark plane like word is being there with, I mean, for the for comparing, so that we have simile. Imagery, this entire poem is full of imagery. Okay, so we are not getting into it. I've already told you imagery are of 5 types. The rest 3 types we are not concerned with right now, at least. Visual imagery, when you can think of, I mean, seeing it. Auditory imagery, when you can think of hearing it. Auditory is somewhat related to ear, visual is somewhat related to eye. Shoveling white steam over her shoulder, fields of apparatus, furnaces sit on dark plain like gigantic chessmen. So that is visual imagery. You can easily imagine these scenes. Auditory imagery, snorting, steam tucks, yelping. Yelping is horning. I've already told you. Then we have enjambment. Enjambment, it refers to the continuation of a sentence without a pause. I mean, no punctuation marks in between. So this line number 7 to 8, all you can see here: past cotton grass and moorland boulder. Rhetoric question, I've already told you what it is, how we have. We come to personification. Personification, I've already told you that throughout the poem, this nightmare has been personified as a woman. So those things are only there. Okay, so thank you, and this is all for this poem. I officially close this poem. Poetic devices, line by line explanation, themes, everything have already been covered in part 1, 2, and 3. Do visit all the parts, and if you have any doubt, you can post it in the comment section. It will be answered as soon as possible. Do like, share, and subscribe the video if you found it anywhere useful. Thank you and have a nice day. This is all for today. Thank you.